So in this example, I'm going to switch around the information that you're given. So in the last example, I knew the original price, I knew the markdown, and I had to find the sell price. This time I'm going to give you the sell price and the markdown, and you're going to have to find the original price. So let's start with my equation, which is that my part is always equal to some percent of my whole. And in this problem, I don't know what the original price is. So my whole amount is unknown. So I'm going to plug in X in that spot. Now what I do know is this part of $13.43. And you have to be very careful right here. This part represents what I'm paying, or this part represents my sell price. It is essential that the percent that you put here represents the same idea as this number here. The real common mistake that people want to make is they want to see this 44% and they want to plug this in here. But the problem with that setup, the problem with plugging 0.44 directly in here, is that this is a markdown number or a discount percent. A discount percent plugged into here should give me a discount amount. And this 1343 is not how much is being taken away from the price, but it's what I'm ending with. So to deal with this, and actually let's draw this in picture form to try to make this as clear as possible. And I gotta change this color here. So let's say this bar represents the original price. This is all of it. So this is 100% of the price of the item, and I don't know what that is as an amount. I am taking away 44% of that. So I'm dropping 44%. So from my starting value X, I'm taking away something here. I don't know what. I mean, I could write this as 44% of X is what I'm taking away. And whenever I take away this 44%, where am I at here? So if I start with 100, take away 40 would be at 60. So taking away 44 would put me at 56. So the portion of the item that I'm paying for, this portion right here, is 56% of the total cost, or this 1x times 0.44x is 0.56x. And not only do I know that it's 56% of the whole amount, but I know what it is as an actual number of dollars. I know that it's $13.43. So these two expressions represent the same thing. 56% of X is the same thing as $13.43. So for this percent right here, and here, let's do this in 2 steps. My percent is 1 for one whole, or 100%. Take away the markdown, which is 44%. And whenever I take that away, I am left with 56% of X. To solve this equation, divide both sides by 0.56. So let's pull out my calculator. We're going to clear this out. So we're going to take $13.43 divided by 0.56. And we're at $23.98. So my whole amount, or my original price, should be $23.98. Let's put a dollar sign on this. And let's see if we were correct. So a little bit of a rounding error here, but you're very close. So this, there was some number rounded somewhere. I would accept the $23.98 as a good answer. While you have this video open, take a moment, pause the video, and see if you can do this problem, and I'll show you the answer here in a few seconds. Okay, if you tried that out, hopefully you were able to get $279.99. Once again, I didn't work this out, but you might be a penny off due to rounding type stuff.